For this week's Roundup, we're going to look at how to investigate a build in Second Life and see how it's been put together, what sort of prims have been used to shape the build. Just using the escape key, bringing my camera around to behind myself, and then zooming into this set over here that shows the sparkly lamp. If we right click on that, we don't have to do anything else other than right click. We can go to the edit menu, but just right clicking will show you the individual objects. Edit makes it a little bit easier because you can then minimize the edit window and you can have a good look at how the prims have been put together. As you can see here, if you have a look at this arrow, you can see it's made up of a longer box prim and two shorter box prims. Same with the plus sign here, we've got a vertical and a horizontal box prim. The lamp itself, made of sphere, a torus, 1, 2, 3 more, cylinder, and a box at the bottom, squished down. Looking at these 4 prims, these ones have been put up here to show off the textures that are used in the final lamp. As you can see, this particular one here, this texture has a transparency in it, which allows you to actually look through the bars, the crisscrosses, allowing a see-through effect to the final lamp itself. One of the things you can do in terms of looking at things that have transparency in them in Second Life is highlight the transparency using Control, Alt and T. And you can see that it now shows off the whole prim. If you zoom out over here, you can see the same with the trees. I'll take it off again, Control Alt T. That's the trees there showing up. Control Alt T actually shows what the tree is made up of, because you can now see the full transparency. If we right click and go to edit, this whole section here is put together as a linked group, make it easier to move it around, but you can then see the individual prims. You can see the very thin large box shapes for those trees, sculpties for the trunks here. You can see the torus that have been used up in the top for the leaves. Using escape, back around to my avatar again, Control Alt T will take off the transparency. Often I'll see an object in world, for example this tree, and I want to know more about the creator or have a look at more of the objects that the creator's made. So I can go into edit mode, find out the creator's name, Cecilia here, click on that and it'll bring up a mini profile window, and then click on the main profile button to bring up their full profile. Now usually a creator will have some form of advertising in their pics as to their shop or where they sell their items from. Here we have HPMD's main shop, so I can click on that and that'll bring up a little bit of further information. So basically not very much there, just saying they've got a new shop and come and see it, and that's the link there for the shop. So we can click on that, it'll bring up the main map and show us where we're going to land. And down here you've got the teleport button. Click on the teleport button and we'll teleport to that particular sim. Let's close down this window so we can see. And here you have the HPMD shop. So we can move the avatar around, which in this case moves the camera as well, and then we can walk into their shop. And have a look around at more of the objects for sale. Often in these areas I'll be clicking away at edit, having a look at how things have been put together. Good way of finding out how things have been built.